The real success of life is not in never falling down, but getting up on your own every time that you fall down. जिंदगी की असली कामयाबी कभी न गिरने में नहीं है, बल्कि जब भी आप गिरते हैं अपने बलबूते पे खड़े रहने में है. The chief guest of today's program, Shri Shetty, Bhagirath Shetty, the chairman of Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, guest of honor, Sanjana Ketkar, ADI, special invitee, Samiksha Naik, chairman of the Hamdard Education Society, Azim Moini, the manager Najib Bhai, headmaster, staff and non-teaching staff of Anjuman Iman Islam High School, parents and ex-students. When I take the name of ex-students, I cannot forget taking the name of our achiever ex-student, our made proud ex-student, Sneha Yadav, and all the other ex-students who are present here and the students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's peace, blessings and mercy be on all of you. Suswagatam, Afsoglyam, Yokar, and a very good morning. I am very happy here that the school annual day is being celebrated. Congratulations for picking up a very nice topic for that conference of era, Youth Sangam, the past, present and the future, how we could all blend together. Lovely performance by the many students here. I am also happy that the magazine Spectra has been released today. The Spectra has been composed, graphic design and edited by none other than our own students. ये बात साबित करता है कि जब हमारे बच्चे कुछ करने पे तुले होते हैं तो वो किसी से कम नहीं है. मैं सबको whoever gathered here, I like to give very hearty congratulations. I am happy that two of our ex-students came here and performed on the stage. One is Sneha Yadav, who told her about her achievement, and the other one was Mr. Nawab Sheikh, who gave a beautiful performance. So for all those put in all their efforts, the teachers, the parents, the students, all those got together to make this event a grand success. A big round of applause for all of them. All the students present here, I would like to tell the students, please come out of your comfort zone. आप आराम की जगह से बाहर आइए. You have to face the challenges of this world, the ups and downs of this world. It's not an easy life for you ahead. आप अपनी जिंदगी को compare it to the ECG of a heart patient. You know the ECG of a heart patient, how it is? It is up and down, up and down, up and down. It's never a straight line. That means your life is full of struggles. कभी खुशी, कभी गम, कभी सुख, कभी गम, कभी आसानी तो कभी परेशानी. All these struggles you have to face. And how are you going to face it? Only with one tool. That tool is nothing but education, education and education. This is the joy of reading is good. There is no better joy than reading, and there is no better power than education. For all those students who are gathered here, please take your studies as a passion, not as a punishment. When you take it as a passion, you enjoy your studies. But if you take it as a punishment, you will refrain from that. Today, education system after NEP 2020 is made very easy. It is difficult to fail and easy to pass. It's not the old Ratta Mar type of education. You must see the picture of Amir Khan, Three Idiots. Ratta Maro, samjho or nahi samjho, just go blindly do that. Today the education is based on holistic development of the child, creative thinking, analysis, problem solving, experimental projects. All these things are there which you should take care of. And I would like to tell the students, please try to be a good human being. Please try to do khalq-e khidmat, service to humanity. And service to humanity comes from within. और आपको ये जानने के लिए इंस्पायर करने की और किसी और के पास जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपके खुद की एक्सपर्ट ऑफ द स्कूल स्नेहा यादव has gone to border security post. एक ओनली लेडी फ्रॉम गोवा फ्रॉम आवर स्कूल, हमारे मोहल्ले की लड़की बेटी उस हद तक पहुंच सकती है. बता दी उसने कि नथिंग इज डिफिकल्ट, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. आपको हार का सामना करके आगे बढ़ना है. उनसे इंस्पायर होकर मैं आप स्टूडेंट से कहता हूँ, यू ऑल्सो कैन श्योरली मेक इट. अब मैं हमारे पेरेंट्स को एडवाइस करना चाहता हूँ, हमारे खास करके हमारे माओं के लिए आज का माहौल बहुत कठिन माहौल है। बच्चे हर कदम पे खतरा है उनके सामने और आपको फोकस करना है दो चीज़ों पे, एक तो उनकी पढ़ाई पर, दूसरा उनके संगत पर, उनकी कंपनी पर। एक गलत कंपनी आपके बच्चों को बिगाड़ सकती है, लेकिन सही कंपनी आपके बच्चों को आगे ले जा सकती है। मैं आपके पेरेंट्स को कहना चाहूँगा, तालीम के साथ तरबियत पे ध्यान दो। तालीम और तरबियत एक सिक्के के दो पहलू है, दो पॉइंट्स है जो कभी सेपरेट नहीं हो सकते। तालीम तरबियत के बिना कुछ नहीं है। अगर आप एक बच्चे को पढ़ा के उसको ग्रेजुएट बनाया, डबल ग्रेजुएट बनाया, बहुत बड़े ऊंचे पे पहुंचा दिया, अगर उसके अंदर तरबियत नहीं है, सलाहियत नहीं है, सही और गलत का पहचान नहीं है, तकब्बुर है, डिसऑनेस्ट, पड़ोसी के साथ रिलेशन अच्छा नहीं है, बड़ों को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, लेन देन सही नहीं है, वादा खिलाफ है, अपनी जबान का पक्का नहीं है, तो ऑल दिस फ्रेंड्स एंड पेरेंट्स, ऑल द डबल ग्रेजुएट यू गिवन टू योर चाइल्ड इज जीरो। अगर ये सब क्वालिटीज उनके अंदर नहीं है, तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि तालीम के साथ साथ हमारे बच्चे तरबियत के याफ्ता भी बने और अपने आप को आगे बढ़े। My last appeal to all the teachers present here. We all know that the teachers are the backbone of any institution. रीढ़ की हड्डी जैसा a strong backbone allows the person to walk with strength, and a crippled backbone is difficult for him to make movement. Teachers, a good team of teachers can make a student. A bad team of teachers, indisciplined or lethargic teachers can break a school. But we are fortunate that our teachers are there who are dedicated and devoted. My appeal to the teachers here, focus on two issues. One issue is to upgrade your teaching skills. You have to keep up with the times. Just as a doctor is required to upgrade his medical technology upgradation, the use of AI technology, medical skills, the correct diagnosis and the correct treatment, you too have to upgrade your teaching skills at par with the new technology of smartphones and whatever workshop NEP is conducting by the government. I appeal to the teachers here to please instill in the students a spirit of patriotism, a spirit of nationality, a spirit of Desh Bhakti in our students here. My dear friends, our country is being divided by vested interests in the name of religion, in the name of language, in the name of caste, in the name of whatever it is there. We are trying to be divided, but we have to stand united. The beauty of a country is unity in diversity. That you have to prove to the students. And how are you going to do that? You have to, when our lady here, Sneha Yadav, has gone here and reached the border security force and protecting the country's border from our enemy line, so that we could sleep in peace here. She has risked her life to go right up to that India and Bangladesh border to serve the country there. So why we cannot unite together and be together as true Indian citizens? And for that, friend, I think we should all believe that we are Indians first. We are country of this great country, Hindustan first. And then we are either a Goan or a Maharashtrian or a Gujarati or a Punjabi. We have to also believe that we are all human beings first. हम एक इंसानियत की फैमिली, the family of humanity, we all members of the great family of humanity first. उसके बाद हम इधर हिंदू है या क्रिश्चियन है या तो मुस्लिम है। ये स्पिरिट के साथ हम लोग अगर जीते हैं तो आई एम श्योर वी विल बी एबल टू टेक दिस कंट्री टू हायर सक्सेस और ग्लोरी। ये उम्मीद के साथ मैं आप सबको और एक बार मुबारकबाद देता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ किसी तरह हम सब मिलकर आगे बढ़ें। शुक्रिया।